What's up guys, Sam James, Barprints.co here, and today we're talking about how to flame a peel. Now whenever we talk about flaming a peel, we're usually talking about an orange peel. A lot of people use the term interchangeably, flaming a zest, flaming a peel, but I'm going to show you two different variations on how to do that, why you should never use a lighter when you're flaming a peel, and at the end of the video, of course, give you a couple of examples of cocktails in which you will be flaming a peel. Now, if you like these videos and you want to make sure that you never miss anything, go ahead and click the subscription button right here in the corner, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you never miss a new video when it comes out. All right, let's get started. Now, when you're flaming a peel, essentially what's happening is you're squeezing the rind, the peel, the zest, whatever you want to call it. You're expressing the essential oils out of the orange peel through a flame and imparting it onto the cocktail. Now, this will do two things for you. One, it gives your cocktail a nice orangey aroma to it, which complements the rest of the drink, as well as the second thing, which is imparting a bit of a burnt orange flavor onto the cocktail. Now, like I said at the beginning, there are two ways that you can flame your peel. The first of which is cutting small discs from the orange and making sure in both cases you cut enough of the pith, the white part, from the orange so that you get a nice thick piece that you can squeeze and really press the oils out of. The second which, of course, is to take a peeler, like a wide peeler or something like that, and peeling the orange around so you can get a nice long strip. Also trying your best to get as much pith as possible so that you have something that you can really hold on to and express those oils out. Now, starting off with, let's talk about how you do it using the method with the discs. Now, first and foremost, you go ahead and take a wooden match. And the reason, like I was explaining at the beginning of the video, why you don't want to use a lighter is because lighters are fueled by butane. If you use a butane lighter, then what ends up happening is you impart some of that butane flavor into your cocktail, and that's obviously something that you don't want to do. So you take your peel, your disc that you cut, hold it by the pith, and then you take the match and you warm the skin a bit just so that it can release some of the oils as you get ready to press. And once that's done, go ahead and press a couple times and you'll see a nice flame shoot out. Hold it close enough to the glass to make sure that it gets in there and you're basically set. After that, just take your peel, rub it around the edge of the glass to impart some of that flavor onto the rim and also help accentuate the aroma that comes from the orange, and then drop it into your glass. Now for our second method, we're going to be using the long strip that we took. Now because it's a strip and not a disc, you probably didn't get as much pith off of it as you would have liked to, so you're going to go ahead and grab the part of the peel that has the most pith so that you can squeeze from that end. Now go ahead and take your peel, give it one final twist to make sure you get all those oils into the glass. Take the peel, give it a nice rub around the glass, and then you drop it in. Now, one of my favorite things about this particular method is it makes for a much nicer garnish, in my opinion, than the orange discs do. But why I tend to lean towards the orange discs is that it makes a far more dramatic flame, as you could tell from what you just saw a while ago. So it's really going to be a question of your own personal preference and what you like to see, what you like to do. Now, as far as examples of what you can use a flaming zest technique on, I would definitely, of course, go with your Negronis, with your old fashions. And as always on this channel, I encourage you to play with it, whatever you're creating, whatever you're trying, anything that has a nice complementary flavor to orange, go ahead and try it out on that. Go nuts and see what works best for you. Now, if you're looking for products to upgrade your bar arsenal, go ahead and head over to barprints.co and check out what we have over there. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to make sure you never miss a new video when it comes out. Now, also, don't forget, you can also get our Barprints cheat sheet. It is our step-by-step guide to make sure that you go from a novice to a professional bartender in under 24 hours. It's a free ebook that we have available. The link is in the description below. Please go ahead and check that out. And if there's anything you'd like me to cover, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. I'll do my best to make sure that I get to it in the days and weeks ahead. Thanks for joining me again. Cheers.